Hello little explorers. Are you ready to learn about amazing birds? Let's go. This is a sparrow, tiny and chirpy. Look at the peacock. It has a big, colorful tail. The pigeon coos and loves to fly in cities. Listen. The owl says ho ho at night. Look at the crane. It has long legs and loves to stand in water. Tup tup tup. The woodpecker makes holes in trees. Caw caw. The crow is clever and noisy. A robin with a red chest. It sings sweet songs. This is a hornbill. It has a big, curved beak. Hello. The parrot can talk like people. Look at the quail. It's small and quick. Listen. The nightingale sings the sweetest songs. This is a flamingo. It loves to stand on one leg. This is a hen. It clucks and lays eggs. The cock wakes everyone up with cock-a-doodle-doo. Wow! The ostrich is the biggest bird. It runs super fast. The eagle is strong and flies very high. The kite is strong and flies high in the sky. Wow! That was so much fun. See you next time. Come back soon for more fun and learning. Bye bye. Keep smiling and learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.